Techno presents the fine art of simple motions, creating stained glass using Voline technology. Benefits of using Voline: quick, simple creation of imitation stained glass. Textured drawings of any color or complexity can be applied to glass. Low production cost. Long-lasting creations. In this film, we will demonstrate all stages of the Voline production process. Stage 1. Developing a product design. Firstly, a design must be developed. Any vector editor may be used, the familiar Corel Draw or the specialized stained glass editor Glass Eye 2000, which determines the area of the design and calculates materials usage within the program itself. If the image selected is in bitmap format, it should be loaded into the editor so that the design can be sketched using the tracing tool. The result will be a file containing lines and curves. The drawing can be resized, cut and colored to show how the glass will look when it is finished. The final design is saved in the format used by the machine tool. Stage 2. Applying a polymer outline using a CNC machine. In Stage 2, we use a stained glass CNC machine to apply a polymer outline. The height and width of this outline can be changed as required, either at the setup stage or during the work process. The machine is capable of drawing quite fine details. Before the next stage, the outline must be allowed to dry. The image will harden completely within several days, but it is ready for use in the next stage of the process after just 24 hours. Stage 3. Preparing the surface bearing the polymer outline. Before starting work, the glass is cleaned carefully using an ordinary glass cleaner and paper towels. The piece must be laid on a level horizontal surface. The polymers are very low viscosity and it is important not to let them run to one side. You can make the table yourself if you wish. The most important thing is that the surface is completely level, with not even the slightest tilt. The best finish and color palette will be obtained if the surface is equipped with a backlight. Stage 4. Filling the outlined spaces with colored polymers. In the final stage, we use a two-component transparent foundation, and with the help of special formulas, we add small amounts of pigment to obtain the required shades. This process means that the colors and saturation levels can be changed. One color can be smoothly transitioned into another in the same way. Due to the surface tension, the polymer dries like a lens, creating a realistic, delicate glass effect. At this stage, it is vital to keep the production area clean, keeping even the smallest particles of dust from the product. After all the sections of the image have been filled, the finished product must also be allowed to dry for 24 hours. Techno can provide the necessary equipment to enable Voline technology to be used on a turnkey basis. In addition to the stained glass machines and all the necessary polymers, clients can make use of our library of vector images and color catalogs when working with customers. Voline allows you to create a perfect imitation of stained glass in an extensive color palette on almost any surface: furniture, sliding door wardrobes, glazed tiles, door panels, mirrors and other materials, using a method that is more universal, flexible and cost-effective than the traditional method. Voline, simple and elegant.